is a wrap. That is a wrap. Yeah, that's a wrap. Kind of a wrap, but that is a wrap. We're gonna wrap this thing up. Oh, just wrapped up the day. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. It's wrapping up. That's officially a wrap. That's a wrap. Damn, dude, he's just like chill. Vibing.
It's super chill. You can pet it.
Dude, he looks like a lion. You want some? I'm getting attacked. Cat does not like those. Hola.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo.
I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hands. Moms bounced on old men, so then we moved to Shallon Land. The young people, the rockin' the go-to. Low goose, only way I begin to G-York was drug loot. And let's start it like this, son. Rolling with this one and that one. Pulling out cats for fun. But it was just a dream for the team who was a fiend. Started smoking wools at 16. And running up in gates and doing hits for high stakes. Making my way on fire skates. No question I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question I would flow off and try to get the dough off. Sticking up right boys on board. My life got no better. Same damn low sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route. So I got with a sick tight click and went all out. Catching kids from overseas. Rolling in MVVs every week. We made 40 G's. Yo, brothers respect mine. I ain't gonna tech now. Bow, move from the gate now.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo.
It's been 22 long, hard years. I'm still struggling. Survival got me bugging, but I'm alive on arrival. I peep at the shape of the streets to stay awake to the ways of the world. Deep, a man with a dream with plans to make cream was fail. I went to jail at the age of 15, a young buck selling drugs and such who never had much.
What is it? Positive flow. Catheter, bro. Yo. Bro, everyone wondering how we pee. Positive flow. You got yourself, I'll give you a quick tutorial. You got yourself your tube. Run that down your leg. And then it's not just a Fox test day. You got yourself the Ultra Flex. Very simple. You have this, it's sticky. You know your thing if you're over 18.
What size is that? It's a double XL.
No, you know you got different ones. I usually go for the half ton or the 1 ton. You know, the 29 or the 36, but you know, don't judge, bro.
and make noise at 9.
Okay? I gotta get a victim.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
Just a couple of things he probably needs to improve on. Maybe the start, the middle, and the end, and then it'll be wicked. Nah, that was shit on. That was unreal. Well worth coming down here. Have to go with that. That's great. I can see why he's winning the championship.
Fun one. Going a little too hard out of the gate. Already smoked through a couple tires.
I told him to stay on it, but he wasn't going to blow the second one. Riley, if you don't pop them both, you don't win.
Right.
But he was worried about tearing it apart. So.
You can tell they're gonna come up and just assault your vehicle. Usually they have a GoPro in hand and they're just like, yeah, you wanna, what's up?
What's up?
What do you boys think? What do you think of this event?
It's crazy, dude. It's crazy.
First time?
Yeah. Go subscribe to this guy. Whatever.
Yeah,
Follow this
thanks.
guy, dude. Yeah, he's
crazy.
Content's amazing.
Yeah, thanks. Much
what I'm saying,
appreciated. Thanks.
Awesome content.
Yeah, the hype.
He's the young champion over here.
Just having fun. Dude, that thing's sketchy. I'm good.
What you mean sketchy? You drive this and you do other cool shit. You talking about this is sketchy.
I will say, it actually looks, as much as I hate snakes,
It looks on.
no.
That snake's harmless?
Snakes on a helicopter.
You damn right. You damn right.
All right, that's a wrap. 2022 is officially over. Well, it's about to be over. So I just wanted to wrap up, kind of show you guys, our year in review. It was an insane year. So much fun stuff happened. And I'm beyond stoked that I'm getting to share it with you guys now. Being back into YouTube full time the past couple of months has been so much fun. But I am pumped for 2023. 2023 is going to be huge. We got a lot of really cool stuff in the works. The racing, the behind the scenes of the racing, snowmobiling, skiing, like all kinds of just cool adventure stuff, my day-to-day life. So be sure to subscribe if you don't already. And if you do, I can't explain how much it's so awesome that you guys are wanting to watch our content and it's showing. So we're excited. And yeah, that's a wrap. 2022. I'll see you next year.
From the gate now.